19th century, there was no electric power. Imagine what it was like at night when you ran out of candles and there was no electric light. It wasn't a problem for those who slept, but it was for people like Thomas Edison, who really enjoyed working all the time, even at night. It was Thomas Edison who, on October 22nd, 1879, turned on the electric light for the first time. It's our job today to help Thomas Edison have light during the night. That way, he can keep working on discovering his greatest discovery of electric power. So he won't have any other troubles while he's inventing all his other great inventions during his time. Electric light is very useful and practical nowadays. It literally lights up our ideas so we can see and work more clearly. Water and food colorant have a higher density than oil. That's why they go to the bottom of the bottle while the oil goes to the top. When we add an effervescent tablet and it gets in contact with the water, it releases a gas known as carbon dioxide. This gas has a lower density than water and oil. So it goes to the top and it drags tiny drops of water and colorant with it. I remember seeing this type of lamp in several places. They're not just very useful, but also very beautiful. When the food colorant reaches the surface, dragged by the carbon dioxide bubbles, it'll go back down again because of the density. And this will happen again and again till there's no more bubbles. What happens is salt and sodium bicarbonate dissolve into the solution, separating into sodium and bicarbonate ions. And that's how we get this show of compounds separating into parts. Let's try it out. 2 plastic containers, vegetable oil, 1 effervescent tablet, bottled food coloring. Pour the oil in the plastic container until it's about 2/3 full, up to here. Add a little bit of water with food coloring, but without filling the container, because we still have more things to add at the end. Look at how the color slowly sinks until it touches the bottom and then spreads out. It's very beautiful. The last thing we have to do is add the effervescent tablet. All this without covering the container, at least until the effervescent tablet completely stops bubbling. We can see with the naked eye how carbon dioxide travels in the colored bubbles that go all the way to the top and come back down very slowly. It's a hypnotizing effect, don't you think? I've been trying out different techniques to make all these lamps, adding more than 1 effervescent tablet and placing the lamps near light sources in my house. I've also been counting how long the tablets make bubbles inside the bottle. I'll write down all my observations and bring them to Thomas Edison to help him work during the night. I wonder if Thomas Edison will like having a lava lamp on his desk while he's working on discovering how to generate electric light. I'll tell you all about it later.